I woke up this morning to a call from the post office. They were telling me that I had a extremely large package there that my carrier was unable to deliver. So as soon as I could, I went and picked it up. Of course I knew exactly what it was, which is this. Inside of here is 42 pounds of wool, as well as a kit to make, well, I don't even know exactly what to call it. I guess they're mattresses that I'm going to have in the living room. It smells like sheep. So I had these custom made to the size that I wanted. And so my thought was that they can be in the living room, one on top of the other. And so you can, it'd be like 10 inches high. And so someone can like sit on it, like a couch. But then when guests come, you can put them side by side as a bed. Last time I did this, like a year ago, it was very hard. I didn't know like where to tuft. Thinking through it this time, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be much better about it. I'm gonna like measure it out and like put little markings of where I need to put the tufts. But it looks like they did it for me this time. So there's these little marks saying where to tuft. It's also gonna be easier because it's only 5 inches thick, where my mattress that I made a year ago was like 7 or 8 inches thick. And so even with that couple more inches of wool to get through, like it's just gonna be harder. Right now, this feels like it's going to be so simple and so easy. So I don't know, we'll find out if I'm right. I'm so happy to be doing this right now. This bowl. First, I thread the twine in the needle. Then I take one of these wool bows and put it through. Then I find the marker on the mattress, and then I poke the needle through, and then I lift up the mattress a little to find the mark on the other side. So there it is, and now I'm pulling it through. And then I put another bow on to go on the other side. About a ½ inch next to where the needle came out, I then put the needle back in and pull it back up. And then I just tie it tight 3 times. And then I snip the twine, and one tuft done. I finished the first mattress. I was very optimistic and talking a lot about how much easier it was to tuft this mattress, but even though each individual tuft was easier this time around, there was just a lot more tufting. There's 60 tufts in this one mattress, so my whole body is just kind of aching and my fingers are raw. So I'm gonna rest and do the second one tomorrow morning. Yesterday I finished one mattress, this one that I'm sitting on, and I think it looks great. I'm really happy with it. I already feel better. My body doesn't hurt anymore. I rested, I'm fresh, I'm ready to get going on this. One down and 59 more to go. I have just 2 tufts to go, so that is, I've done 118 tufts in the last 2 days. Today has been way easier than yesterday, and I think a lot of it is having these band-aids on. Yesterday, just like each tuft was painful. Final tuft. Wasn't so bad. I would sleep on this. So yeah, so we're having friends over tonight, so this will be some extra seating. So for now, I'm just gonna have them here and on the floor, though it is better for the mattress to have it up on slats, I think just for like airflow or something. And soon I'll make some covers for them. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. And I'm glad that you were all able to come with me on this journey of making my own mattresses. And stay tuned for more.